Let's make Swedish meatballs and gravy. This is way better than IKEA, I promise. You'll need 1 pound ground beef, 1 pound ground sausage, half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 large egg, then half a teaspoon each of allspice, nutmeg, salt, and black pepper. Stir this all together and then form into 1-inch meatballs. You can bake these in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes, or you can cook them in a skillet. For the skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat, and then work in batches to fry your meatballs until browned on all sides and cooked all the way through. Remove the cooked meatballs from the pan and set aside. Then you're going to melt a 1/4 cup of salted butter, then add half a cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon each of nutmeg and allspice, and whisk it all together before pouring in 4 cups of beef broth and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Heat until thickened, season with salt and pepper to taste, and then stir in 2/3 of a cup of sour cream. Add your meatballs back into the pan to coat, and then serve this hot over mashed potatoes.